Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here with another unboxing. We have got a home decor box, and I always find the coolest stuff in here. So you'll have to watch one of our other home decor ones, or maybe it was an office one where we got this awesome like Tiffany crystal lamp with a cardinal on it. It was amazing. Anyway, we're gonna unbox this box. Cost me $84. Bought it from 888 Lots, and that was $84 fully shipped. So we're gonna see what's inside and wait till the end. We're gonna price everything. All right, let's get inside this box and find all the goodies. Ooh, I see some stuff that we actually already have on the store.
Yeah, we do.
This is already on our Hooked on Pickin store. Happy birthday 1-year-old pack. That's awesome. And then I think we sent some of these to Amazon, these incense sticks.
Yeah, we did.
So if you're interested in them, let us know, because we plan on probably sending these to Amazon.
We're going to make like $6.
Yeah, a pack. Yeah.
We were saying 5, and then we scanned them and found out on Amazon you can make a little more.
Yeah, and it's less work. Ooh, this is cool. We sold a couple of these in the fire sale. They're jewelry hangers. Oh, look. It's little baby canvases.
Baby canvases.
A whole bunch of them. Looks like we have another pack here, too.
Cool.
Of baby canvases. And then we have chalk, pure white pack. Chalk pens, I think. And then, ooh, we've got some more of this leather tape, which I'm actually sending to Amazon.
Yeah, we found several things you could scan and send to Amazon.
Yep.
Which was very helpful.
Hanukkah candles.
There you go.
And then we've got some kind of teal colored ribbon. Ooh, here's some more dark brown leather tape. It'll be easy to process because I've already got a working order where I can just add it. What is this? These are Tombow pencils. They must be a special kind of artsy pencil is my guess, because everything else is kind of artsy in here. Then we've got, oh, look at all the ornaments.
Tiny little ornaments.
Little baby tree ornaments. Kind of wrong time of the year, but someone might want to buy them now on, you know, for a good deal and then use them next year. Then we have Marathon Digital Desk Clock. Ooh, and it has the temperature and everything.
It's nice looking little, looks like it'd be perfect for our daughter's room or something like that.
Yeah, it would be good. What's this? A plain white box. Let's see what's in the plain white box. Oh, little, these, we've opened these before.
Picture frames.
Are little baby picture frames. They're magnetic.
They're ornaments.
So oh, yeah, you're right.
Ornament picture frames.
There are 4 of them in there.
My dad did that on his Christmas tree. Mom and Dad did that in their Christmas tree.
Oh, put all the ornaments on. Here are, these are bed, they hold your sheets on your bed. Little
well, there's a lot of stuff in this box.
There is. Star napkin. This is what? Oh, is this one of those?
That's right.
Shower beer holder.
That's right.
Or soda.
That's.
If you can't be away from your alcohol that long, you have to take it in the shower.
You're an alcoholic if you need this.
You're having an issue. All right. More leather tape. What is this? Oh, my word. Look at the little handle. Looks like a little penguin.
It's an egg.
Egg. Oh, it is an egg.
It's a little egg.
It's an egg pan. Look.
It's a tiny little egg pan.
I always wanted one of these.
Can you take it out of the plastic?
Yeah. This one is so cute. I've never seen one so this cute.
Look at that. It's eggy.
It's Eggy, the egg pan. I've always wanted a little egg pan like this.
That is a tiny little pan.
All right. Then we have watercolor pens.
What are we doing with those? Are we sending those to Amazon
these
now?
are going to Amazon as well, where you put the paint and the water in them, and then you send paint with them. Then we have, we have some of these. Thinner for acrylic paints. Mm-hmm. Where did we put these? On Hooked on Pickin?
Hooked on Pickin, I believe.
Hooked on Pickin has these. Oh, we got these on Hooked on Pickin. They're 2-inch water bottle caps. And they're like, they've got the O-ring and everything, so they should fit any standard size 2-inch water bottle. Oh, here's some more of these hold your sheets on your beds kind of thing. This is an attachment for a vacuum.
We've seen one before.
Yeah,
that.
Kenmore Canister Vacuum Surface Brush, so it's like a little brush thing. Then we've got, what is this? LOL Charm Fizz.
Kind of a bath bomb, probably?
Yeah, it looks like a bath bomb, but it's an LOL one. Those are
Cool.
pretty popular.
Probably a toy inside.
These are tablecloth holders to hold your, like for picnic tables or your regular table or whatever. Here is another watercolor brush set, pen set, I think. Okay, this looks like quick dry towel.
Large.
So this is probably like a beach towel, I guess.
Looks like it. There's a blue one there.
Ooh, there is a blue one there.
I like the blue one.
I do too. Then we have ornaments that look like gingerbread men. I'm going to pull one. I'm going to pull one out here. Come on, gingerbread man ornaments. Come out and see us. There. See? They're cute.
Nice.
I feel like they look so good, I want to eat them. Alright. Then we have, these are ice packs. Little thin ice packs. These are handy for like lunches and stuff.
Coat of many color ice packs.
Coat of many color. Oh, here's another soda holder.
Another alcoholic. Anonymous.
AA. No, it's not Alcoholics Anonymous. They don't drink.
That's true.
Alright. Then we have a tablecloth. Red, white, and blue. Looks like an outdoor kind of picnic one. Then a furniture protector. This one looks like it's for an armchair. 75 inches by 68 inches. Fits most armchairs, it says.
Cool.
And it looks like it's double-sided. So it's got this pattern on the one side and then plain brown on the other. Then we have Smoke Buddy.
What?
Compact, convenient, high-quality, long-lasting.
Personal air filter.
Smoke. Eliminates odor. So it removes smoke.
What?
Keep your smoke to yourself. Oh, if you're a smoker, it's a little keychain, and it like sucks all the smoke. Oh, you blow the smoke inside of it. So you're not bothering people with your cigarette smoke. See?
Okay. What's the show on the back? Nothing. Okay.
We'll have to look that up.
Wait, there's the instructions. What's the instructions say?
Says, remove travel cap. Place lips on intake, creating a seal. Blow smoke through the Smoke Buddy. Enjoy a smokeless, odorless, clean air. So if someone is bothered by your cigarette smoke and you know that, like you're going over to see mom and she's an asthmatic or on oxygen or whatever, you can use this. Or just don't smoke cigarettes. That would be my suggestion. But, you know, easier said than done for some people. Bonbon powder cleanser. So, like, this is kind of like, what's that stuff you used to scrub your tubs
Yeah, it's
with?
exactly what I was thinking. Comet, yeah.
It's basically Comet.
Yep.
Okay, some picture frame holders. Black ones, 2 black ones there.
Okay.
Then we have, this has a lot of neat stuff. A super laxative product.
No.
Super.
It's pontifical incense.
Yes.
Which you would burn in I think Catholic churches usually burn them. Other churches.
So you pontificate with the pontifical incense?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's incense.
Yeah.
Superlative?
Yeah, superlative.
Not superlactive?
I was saying super laxative. That's what I was thinking here.
It's not a laxative.
I can't read. Listen, half the time, if you guys don't notice, I read upside down and backwards.
I know. She does a great job that way.
So listen, pontificate with your incense.
Yeah.
With pontifical incense. I can't read today. All right. Coffee grinder.
What's that say? Can you read that for us? There you go.
Horlicks mini coffee grinder. This is a tiny coffee grinder. This is like a travel coffee grinder. Let me look at it. Ooh, it is all brand new.
All nice, sealed up.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yep.
Little baby coffee grinder. I like all the mini stuff we find. Okay. This is a set, do not separate. This is Wyman Glass Cooktop Heavy Duty Cleaner. So it's a cooktop cleaner. Okay. Then we have more of the tablecloth clips. We have a giant bucket to take up space in your box.
We got a lot in this
we did
box.
get a lot. So this is just a giant clear bucket.
Random bucket?
Oh, no.
It's a measuring bucket.
It's a measuring bucket.
Wow.
That's some serious cooking. And then we have this little shower caddy. This would be perfect, like if you're going camping and stuff. Put all your stuff in there. All right, then we have another cooktop cleaner. Another bath bomb. LOL bath bomb. We have, what is this? This says it is a brown box. Wait, oh, it has a tag on here. Let me see. It says Gem Teal Agate Book. Ooh, Paul, it's bookends.
Ooh.
Paul has an obsession with bookends.
Yeah, I have a problem with bookends.
All right, we're going to cut this one right here because
I've bought more bookends than probably books in my life.
Yes, he loves bookends for some crazy, weird fascination.
Don't know why.
I want to see these. Oh my goodness. Of course they're heavy because they're bookends.
It's awesome.
They're wrapped real neat. Here, let me get this out of the way so you guys can see.
Oh my
word. Those are cool. Look at that.
Look at that. That's just... Who cares if it's a bookend? Can you hand it to me?
Sorry?
Let's see if I can...
Yeah, I was getting blue on my hands.
Look how beautiful that is. I don't care if it's a bookend. I just want it. My goodness. What do they call it? Is that like an agate?
They called it a teal agate.
Teal agate? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Look at that. They don't like 100% match, but I'm wondering if they're from the same stone.
Maybe.
Probably.
They're pretty amazing color.
That is cool.
It is really cool.
I wonder, did they... It looks like a geode almost.
It does look like a geode.
Like the outside of it feels like a geode. I wonder if they just painted the outside blue.
Maybe,
so
it would match.
I'm guessing they did something like that, but that's cool. Yeah, clearly it's been something because I'm getting blue in my hand. Mm-hmm. But the stone is beautiful.
I'm going to leave that there. And we'll carefully put it back together.
Beautiful.
That is gorgeous. All right, then we have Panasonic Vacuum Bag Pack of 4.
Yep.
Very exciting. Then this is a study set quadcopter with camera foldable selfie drone. I'm opening this.
Yeah, you are. Gotta have a drone in your life.
Gotta have a drone.
Oh my. Look at that thing.
Maybe we should just start filming with a drone.
That looks amazing.
It does. Has a camera on it.
We were so close to our pond. I've always been afraid if you film with a drone, it's going to go right in the pond.
And then we have ice shaker. Drink clean and ice cold. I feel like this could go with the beer shower holder.
What? What?
Because it's one of those shakers for...
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right, so that was what was in the box. We're actually going to go ahead and price everything, and then we'll get right back to you and show you all the prices. Okay, we've got everything all added up and prices on everything. And so we have got this mini coffee grinder, believe it or not, $75 on Amazon. Must be a popular one. And then we have, of course, the scrubber stuff that's kind of like Comet, $5 for that. The $1, or not the $1, but the one first birthday kit, $5, and it is on Hooked on Pickin already. Then we have the incense sticks we're sending into Amazon, $6 a piece. Then we have the mini canvases, $5 for each one of those. Then we have the LOL balls. We're going to sell both of those for $15. They're actually going for quite a bit on Amazon. Then these awesome pencils, the Tombow pencils, $20. We're going to send those to Amazon. Then we have, what was in this? I forgot.
Picture frame
ornaments, $5. Then we have the tablecloth, that's a red, white, and blue, $10. We have the vacuum attachment, $5 for the Kenmore. Then we have this furniture protector for $15. And then we have the Hanukkah candles for $5, the digital clock for $10, the ribbon for $5, the dark brown leather is going to Amazon for $5 after fees, the jewelry organizer hanger $5, the egg pan $5, the what are those white things? The chalk color pens $5. Then we've got these lids for $5 on Hooked on Pickin. And then we've got, this is the picture frame holders for $5. We've got Gingerbread Men for $5. And these prices are all prices that you can contact me about. And you can also find them on the fire sales. So then we're going to keep these napkins because they're not really worth it. We'll use them at our house. Hooked on Pickin, we've got this acrylic paint thinner. And then we've got this big bucket. We've got the sheet cinchers for $5. Then we have the big bucket for $10, the measuring cup bucket. Then we have the shower caddy for $5. The Panasonic Vacuum Bags we're going to send to Amazon for $22. Then we have the cute set of ornaments for $5. The Smoke Buddy for $10. This is the Watercolor Pens, 2 packs of those for $5 a piece. We're going to send those to Amazon. Then we also have the lunch coolers for $5 for a pack of 3 of those. And then these are the shower beer holders for $5, 2 of those. And then we have the incense sticks are actually going to go to Amazon for $15. Then we have the cooktop cleaners, $5, right? Yeah, $5 there and $5 there for both of these. I think this tag came off. And then we have these are really nice beach towels. We have a blue one and an orange one, $10 a piece. Then we have the ice shaker, $10 there. The drone, we're actually got it really steeply discounted. I've seen them up to $70, but they're kind of a little bit all over the map. So we went undercut the lowest price for $35. Then we have the kind of teal geode rock bookends, $25 for that set. And then, of course, the tablecloth holders, $5 a piece for that. So when you add all of that up, we come up to $492. Remember, we spent $84 for the box, and so our total profit numbers are $408. Hopefully you loved watching this unboxing and pricing, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have not taken part in our Hooked on Pickin sale, make sure you use the promo code Jesus20. Jesus20, you're going to get 20% off the store. It's a Christmas special I thought I'd offer to everybody. And so use the promo code Jesus20 and you'll be able to get 20% off of the store at hookedonpickin.com this weekend only. So hopefully you've enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.